Okay, my storage on my iPhone keeps getting full, and I'm a parent, so I have hundreds of photos of kid things and videos, and my toddler keeps running away with my phone and taking 47 photos of her knees. So I was like, I'm just gonna clean my iCloud storage so I can back up my phone again properly, which hasn't been the case for over a month now. I installed at least 4 different apps that are supposed to help you clean your storage. I've tried versions for like computers. I've tried iPhone versions. I've even downloaded one that can help you pretends to help you clean your Google Drive. Because I was like, why not? If I have a bunch of stuff in there that I don't need, I should totally clean it, right? They're all garbage. The logic is basically like, here are your biggest files, delete them, as if those files are not important. Like the AI has absolutely no way of knowing which things are important or not. And especially for like photos and videos, there's like a sentimental value to that. So I didn't want to do that without looking at every single file first. Out of 7,000 photos, the app that I installed helped me find 7 duplicates, which was absolutely insignificant. And then the other one they suggested was to delete all my screen caps, because why would you need screen caps, right? Like I'm assuming you would take a screen cap of something you don't use, but like some of those things are important, which is why I took the photo to begin with. So I got to a point where I had to pay for more storage. Because the math doesn't add up either. That's the thing they forget to tell you, is if you install an app to clean your phone, you can either take the free trial, clean your phone, and be done with it. So there's no business opportunity really. And the second thing is, it's actually cheaper to buy more storage with Apple than it is to buy the app on a monthly basis. So why would you? I don't actually know how those businesses work and if they make any money at all. Like the math doesn't seem to make sense to me at all. Um, I still have a problem with the amount of storage that I need for things. My Google Drive and my iCloud account are still super messy. So I guess I'm gonna go through everything and manually delete them, because that seems to be the only way to do it. But I guess I have a concern, because the alternative would be taking all my stuff out of Google Drive or my iCloud and putting it on a hard drive. Which brings me this other problem of like, if I lose the hard drive, or if the hard drive stops working, or if God forbid my house burns down, I still lost all my photos. Um, so what do? Like, we just accept that like storage is like this infinite resource, and we're just gonna spend a bunch of money and electricity and power and whatnot to keep that alive, I guess. I don't know.